Everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2027 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This is in the beautiful light blue hull color, which you'll see from the pictures, and we have the upgraded 200 Mercury in white as well, matching the beautiful white ski tow bar. We have the teak accents on this boat, so you have them on the swim platform as well as the boarding steps. Two great aft seats. These are nice jump seats that fold down to give you walkability and space if you want to fish as a casting platform, and then easy to stow away so you're not having to remove cushions, and keeps everything really clean on the boat. Lots of room in the cockpit area back here behind the helm seat. We have easy access to the live well, and this is the deluxe sport seating with the live well, so really nice. With the helm seat, you have the big leaning post, and then you can sit comfortably while driving underway. Other features on here, we have the JL audio sound system, raw water wash down, and then easy access to fill up the boat with fuel on the back. 4 rod holders on the back, 4 rocket launchers up top, and then 4 on the back of the helm. So plenty of rod storage. Low profile rails throughout the boat, so easy to have something to grab onto if you needed, and then doesn't obtrude when you're walking all around off the boat at the sandbar or at the dock. At the helm, we have the Simrad 9-inch GPS chart plotter. This will give you all your touch screen capabilities for mapping, fish finding capabilities, and then shows all your electronic engine data on board. And then you'll still have your toggle switches with some digital aspects with your engine data. JL audio sound system is your head unit and your speakers, glove box, and then trim tabs with LED indicators. This is with the 200 horsepower Mercury. You'll have the digital throttle and shift. Also gives you the active engine trim, which will adjust the boat trim according to speed. So very effortless with driving this boat and handling underway. Life jacket storage up underneath, as well as a dome light. And then on the starboard side, we have the head. This is a pump out head, so you'll have a holding tank that everything will go into, and then can be pumped out at any of your docks. And then up in the bow, we did the upgraded Yeti cooler cushion with backrests. This is part of the fishing package on board. You also have tackle storage on your opposite port side, and then rod holders up top on the hard top. As you come into the bow, we have easily removable cushions. This will give you access to your fish box, and then your anchor locker, trolling motor panel. So if you wanted to add a trolling motor on board, be an absolutely great fishing boat. This gives you all your casting platform when you take the cushions out. And then you have removable backrests on here that'll give you access to 2 rod holders on each side. So fantastic boat for getting into shallow water with a 15-inch draft, but also can handle some nasty chop offshore, get you to the fish, get you to your favorite sandbar. Lots of fun for water sports. Just a great boat. Again, this is our 2027 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. My name is Chris Honig. Would love to get you out in the water soon, so give me a call at 910-256-8100, and look forward to seeing you out in the water.